Welcome to another vlog. I'm not gonna be here for long. Test out my little social skills at the gym.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good. Can't come.
The mind is so funny, like with endurance training and running. So I've been running 3 miles, like 3 days a week. I know that I can run a marathon. I know I can run 18 miles without getting tired. Like that's my 18 miles is like my own personal, I know that's my threshold of running without stopping. It needs to be higher than it, but I know at least 18. But on these 3 mile runs, I guess because my mind knows it's 3 miles, it wants me to stop. I don't know, it's like no matter what your mileage is that day, your mind adjusts to feel tired in the middle of it. I think that's just crazy. I know I can run 3 miles, but yesterday was a leg day, so I'm gonna have to quit blaming it on it.
I'm gonna be the bestie, yeah, the bestie. Hold on. You can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'm gonna be the bestie, yeah, the bestie. Hold on. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? No, you never run, no me left you breathless. Give you one time, still don't ever upset. She a my type, I know that me know it. Follow this a rat, but I know no Moses. Never see a lady, me never respect. Come here one time, for the nothing up there.
Officially welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Asia G. If you're not, welcome back. I just wanted to give y'all an update. I know the last kind of vlogish kind of video I posted, I was doing some stuff around the house. Well, really on the patio. I had to get it fixed, and then my HOA was supposed to be doing like my flower bed, and I also got this necklace fixed, and I never came back to show y'all. Jewelry Place did a really good job, and I got the wood panel fixed on my back patio. So it is a different color than the rest of the wood right now, but I emailed the guy who stained it for me in the past to see if he could possibly bring me like a small can of like stain paint. He was supposed to bring the paint to me, like not the paint, the stain to me last year after he did the deck, and I just never followed up because what's gonna happen to the deck? I emailed him. If he doesn't email me back today, I will call him tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna have to end up fixing like a lot more boards in the future. I just noticed like this little spot where we keep the trash can at, also like where I had the planter at, like the wood isn't soft in those areas, but it looks terrible. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want to replace those, especially since replacing like that little piece of wood was like pretty cost effective, and it didn't really take too long once Joe actually got out here and did it. I'm gonna finish this because fiber gets really thick if you let it sit. So if y'all drinking fiber, you gotta go ahead and drink it up because it'll get thick on you, and you'll be drinking a fruit smoothie before you know it. This is how far they've gotten on my flower bed. They just planted 2 plants. I actually have I think this plant in my back on the back patio, and it just comes back every year without me doing anything. I know the flower bed is going to shape up to be really nice whenever they finish it. It has been like really hot here in Memphis. My HOA just let me know that they would finish it like once it was like a little bit cooler. There are some older ladies who's doing it. So do y'all remember this one? Baby, baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. It's just like straight sun. I want to make this video go live, and so I just made it go live on YouTube. Now I just need to share it over on Instagram. So that's posted, and that's gonna be it for that. Oh, my coworker cute today. Let me get off her Instagram. She cute. Should definitely be on her grid and not in her stories. This is gonna be June's book of the month. It is Love's Executioner and Other Tales of Psychotherapy by Ooh, by Ivan Yalom. I read another book by him called The Gift of Therapy. He's a psychiatrist. It's a non-fiction book, but it's like tales from like his clients, so he does have to change like some names and like characteristics so to keep the patient anonymity. That's the word I want to say. It's gonna be 10 chapters, and each chapter is just like out of a patient session that he's done. He claimed he got like permission from all of these patients to like tell their stories. Apparently the stories are gonna be about, or the sessions, if rape was legal, the wrong one dad, fat lady, I never thought it would happen to me, do not go gentle, 2 smiles, 3 unopened letters, therapeutic monogamy, in search of a dreamer. And so I guess that each of these patients have problems in these areas. So it'll be interesting to see like some of the stuff that comes out in therapy, or like you hear people therapy stories, or hear like psychiatrists, psychotherapists kind of give accounts of like their patients and their session. You be like, oh, that's interesting. Some of it be kind of abnormal.
Check up on the gram, I'm just scrolling through these pictures. Hopped into the comments, everyone is so malicious. People share their struggles and we make them into memes. We only post the best cause we're not happy as we seem. Living in the world is nicotine addicted, politically vindictive, identity conflicted, honesty dismissive.
Hey y'all, it's the next day and I just pulled up to the gym. Today is upper body day, so y'all know I'm not gonna be here for long. Baby, in and out. 2 things. I was editing my video back yesterday and it's definitely time to wash, shampoo, and condition. Wash, shampoo, they're the same thing. It's time to shampoo and condition my hair. It looked on the outs yesterday, so I need to do that. I don't know if it's gonna happen today or not. Like, I feel like this bun is gonna have to do its thing for a day or 2. But I was just thinking this morning, I was driving to the gym, listening to the Balanced Black Girl podcast, and last week her episode was about life updates and living outside the box. It was her May 30th upload. Basically, she was just saying she had a lot of things that she wanted to do, like growing up and in her 20s, that she just didn't do. When she finally started doing stuff that she wanted to do, she was doing all of the risky stuff that she wanted to do. And she was just saying how now she is going to be taking her podcast on the road. She's going to be traveling more often, just like go ahead and doing the things that she always wanted to do. So in addition to me listening to that podcast, I read my weekly horoscope in the Cut magazine, the one for last week. I really connected to my horoscope. I just went ahead and booked me a trip to see my friend down in Florida. And I haven't been anywhere by myself, like out of the city or really out of the state, since I went to like my college roommate's wedding in shoot, maybe it was like 2018, 2019. I want to tell y'all what my horoscope said last week. And I done took to sending other people their horoscope. I know they'd be like, please stop sending me my horoscope. No, we need to know what's going on with our week. Lately, it seems like everyone wants you to suppress your natural exuberance, or at least hide it. Though they may appreciate your humor and your warmth, you can't help but feel like they'd all prefer it if you were more sensible and practical, even to the point of being boring. This week, remember that your life and your choices are yours. Yours is italicized. Your friends' preferences are their own. They don't have to dictate your behavior. If you want to be a bit wild, to make a risky choice and heed the call to adventure, don't let anyone stop you. So that, coupled along with Balanced Black Girls podcast last week about not being in fear and just taking risks and doing things you always wanted to do, because you think something bad gonna happen, most of the time it's not, which is probably nothing to a lot of people, because baby, the girls be traveling, they be solo tripping out the country, baby. I'm just trying to make it around the United States. Let's get to some upper body.
Young, broken, independent, not broken, not quitting, I'ma get it. Even though I still struggle, I'm sufficient. Like what's up, aiming, how is business? Believe me, it's finna happen. They call them detours, we call it passion. How many no's you receive? I just stopped counting. So why you...
Yeah, there was an awesome gym day. I pushed up 5 pounds on my bench. So I benched I benched 70. Let me make sure that's right. I be making up numbers. 70 for 4 reps, 2 sets. And then I went back down to 65 for 8 reps for 2 sets. I would feel comfortable benching more if I had a spotter. But I go to the gym by myself, so I'm going to have to ask somebody to spot me one day. Test out my little social skills at the gym. And can I believe I did like some abs at the end of it and the Stairmaster. Woo, child. But also I know to increase our bench, I probably look at what accessories kind of go with bench to increase the weight. So I'm gonna put that on my list to do for this week, is to figure out what accessories I need to pair around bench. Also I got a new bra from Amazon. It kind of looks like the, what is it, the Gymshark Bando bra, except I think theirs is like really high. This was only like $24.99 on Amazon. I got it on sale for $22, and ever since I've been looking again, it's $25 now. I want to catch it on that $3 sale again, but I may break down and just go ahead and get some other colors. I really like this. I'll link it below just in case y'all looking for some cute like gym bras. And I don't think $25 too bad. Like if y'all buy Gymshark, Lululemon, if y'all shop Shein like I do, then this is like ridiculously expensive, but it's got good quality. I feel secure, and it got like adjustments in the back, like to pull the bra strap tighter and looser.
Hey, watch out what you got.
Gotta try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm on my
up here in your mind, but it's really more in the center of your body.
Especially like when it comes to creativity, true, authentic creativity comes from it. So I can understand.
Good morning. Today is a new day, and we gonna train what? Lower body. So today is Thursday. I flipped my Thursday and my Friday this week because tomorrow I'm going to the movies to see Transformers. I still think the best Transformers is Transformer 1 with Shia LaBeouf and Megan Fox. I remember the first time, I didn't want to see it, so I didn't go to the movies, and I ended up watching it one day on TV, and I laughed so hard my stomach hurt. Like, I love the first Transformers. Also, like, I've been going to the movies a whole lot. Do y'all kind of see, like, the movies is kind of coming back to being that thing? Like, it's a whole bunch of blockbusters out at the same time right now. So, Little Mermaid is out. Transformers is out. It was another big movie. Spider-Man with the black teenager Spider-Man. That's out. That's another big one. What else? It's a bunch of big movies out. That would technically be blockbusters. I feel like the movie is definitely coming back. I don't really watch any of the Fast and the Furious, but Fast X, so Fast and the Furious Part 10 is out. Like, all of these little blockbuster movies, it reminds me of childhood. We used to go to the movies all the time. when I was a kid. The movies used to cost $4. You get nachos for $5. Today is gonna be pretty chill. I'm gonna end the vlog today. I just want to go to the gym, and I need to clean out my car. For my birthday, I wanted to go hiking, and we're gonna go out to Little Rock to hike, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna drive my car, so I want to vacuum it out and get it washed and stuff for our trip.
I've been having these really weird dreams. In an instant, I'm fully immersed. In the other, I cease to exist. Something about them feels so honest, so safe here.
What's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah, yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh, yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girl stepping out in the all black. A little bit back the thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama. Yeah. I wanna know, boy.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. What's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? What's good? You know I'm a feather when we get turned. What's good? And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. What's good? Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Yeah, we just tryna have a good time. Turn up, sip up on some good wine. DJ playing my favorite song. Running them beats, now you know it all.
Y'all wouldn't believe this, but now it look like it want to rain. I just cleaned the car, but at least the inside clean. That'd be the main thing. Outside of the car, I be yeah, but I do like for the inside of the car to be clean, so at least I got to vacuum it and wipe it out. Also, I like to put these. I used to get like those hanging things to put in the car, like for the scent, but now I like these little bitty kind of small space for breezes, and the ocean spray smell so good. So this is the new one. It just kind of looks like this, and then you just press the button in the back, and then it creates a little hole, and then it slowly lets out like the scent. And because the car is so small and it's for small spaces, the car smells really, really good. Except it don't last, like it's supposed to last like 30 days or so, but because the car is so hot and it is summertime, it don't last that long, but it smells so good. And I just put it like in the back seat in the cup holder. That's gonna be all for this vlog. Thank you guys for spending a couple of days with me. I'm so excited. My birthday is coming up. It's next Tuesday, and I'm going to be 34. I'm so sweaty and hot. Oh my goodness. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Until then.